Hello guys, it's Murillo here from JHP, and today I'm gonna show you one of our national products, which is the pressurization bench test for hangars. This test bench, it is manufactured to test E1, E2, Phenom, Praetor, and legacy Embraer aircrafts, and it's capable of carrying out tests such as pressurization tests, safety valve tests, bleed tests, all of them with 0.001% of precision on its pressure sensor. In other words, this machine is highly precise. And it has international components such as IMR Norgren and Siemens, which can be found anywhere in the world. So if you purchase it in Europe or in the States or anywhere else, you can find its spare parts locally or even in your country. This project is a Brazilian project manufactured by JHP, and it's exclusive to us. Well, I'm gonna show it more in detail, so let's see a bit of its comments. All right, so here we are at the bank's command, and let's start here by the power up. So here we have the power on button, the emergency button, the LED to mention that it is turned on. We have the HMI screen for touchscreen command and also for the automatic commands for the tests. We also have here a USB plug for you to extract data in .csv from the tests. And also we have the manual handles for the pressurization and bleed tests. So the test can also be handled manually if you do not want to carry it out automatically. Also, we have a climb here to measure the vertical speed of the test. So this instrument, it works with pressure difference in time and is directly proportional to the vertical speed or the climb rate of the aircraft. So you have the same instrument at the aircraft, so the operators of this bench can have the same visualization that a pilot would have when the aircraft is taking off. And also, we have this antenna here, which can be used to extract data from the tests of this bench after the tests have been carried out. So now we're gonna go to see the valves and the inside of the bench. So now let's check the bench from the side where we can carry out our maintenances, and I'm gonna open it first. So as you can see, I can open it with just one finger because it has those gadgets to facilitate its opening. We have a pretty high distance from my head, so no one is gonna hit the bench door while carrying out maintenances. And here, as you can see, everything's on a easy access. So we have here the mass flow meters. We have two mass flow meters that they're gonna monitor themselves. So they're gonna have a calibrated difference between their measurements. And whenever you have a difference on its measurements, we can affirm that one of them is discalibrated. So the calibration is gonna be predictive from now on, not preventive. We have the piloted air regulator for the precision pressurization. We have also the mechanical safety valve here, which is the last shield that's gonna protect our aircraft from overpressurization. And also, we have here the both compressed air filters. This one for 5 micron and this one is coalescent. So we're gonna protect the aircraft from anything that comes within the compressed air. And also you have here the electronic pressure switch, which is gonna monitor the filter whenever it starts to saturate. And that's that for the inside. Let's go check out the front of the bench. So now we're in front of the test bench, which we have the maximum velocity here, or maximum speed, which is 20 kilometers per hour. So when this bench is going to be being transported, we can be sure that if we are below this velocity, vibrations are not going to affect the instrument's calibrations. And now at the inside, we've got here the pressure return hose, and also the pipes that are gonna go for the bleed test and also for the pressurization test. They are split apart, as you can see. And that's that. So now we're at the other side of the bench. As you can see, we can easily open it up as the other side was. And we have here the pressure switch or the pressure sensors manifold, which are the sensors for the overall of the bench, the mass flow sensor and other sensors of the bench. We got the main manifold for pressurization control. This here is the main pressure sensor, and also the valves to make the logic. And there we've got the pneumatic manifold. It is turned to the front part of the bench so they can carry out the maintenance easier. We got the quick coupling here for calibration, and also the electrical panel here, which is gonna make the electrical command of the bench. So you got the PLC and other stuff inside this control box. And that's that. Now back to the front part of the bench. We've got pneumatic manifold with the command valves here, the proportional valve for the automatic test, and also the air preparation here for the pneumatic command. And everything with nylon hoses, so we can have a high confiability test or an nautical test. And that's that. All right, hope I could show you a little bit more of its details and how it works, and hope that if you need such product, you can come to us. And even if you need any customizations or if you need for a different aircraft, you can also get in touch with us and we can manufacture a bench that fits at your needs. Well, thank you very much for your attention and hope to see you soon.